One day, a cheerful girl named Little Emma decided to travel to a big city with her mother and father. Packing her suitcase with excitement, Emma was determined to explore new places and accumulate fun memories. When the family arrived in the city filled with colorful buildings, Emma was mesmerized. Tall buildings, bright lights, and crowded streets promised him a great adventure. His first stop was a huge playground. Emma slid on the slides, swung on the swings, and made new friends. The time he spent at the playground showed him how fun the city was. At their next stop, the family went to a famous museum. While wandering through galleries full of history, Emma discovered interesting works. Paintings, sculptures, and old costumes fired his imagination. Emma left the museum with the dream of one day becoming a painter or historian. For lunch, the family went to a famous cafe in the city. While enjoying delicious food, the family chatted and planned the rest of the day. His next stop was a giant bookstore. Emma didn't notice how time passed as she got lost in the books and dived into the magical world of stories. In the evening, the family came to the city square. They had a pleasant time there watching the performances of street artists. Jugglers, dancers, and musicians made Emma feel the energy and diversity of the city. At that moment, Emma realized how special it was to enjoy this wonderful adventure in the city. At the end of the day, Emma returned to her hotel room tired but happy. As she lay on her bed, the little girl thought about every moment she had experienced that day. This adventure in the city left an unforgettable mark on his life. When Emma closed her eyes, she was still wandering around that magical city in her dreams. The next morning, Emma and her family decided to explore other attractions in the city. A science museum, a colorful flower garden, an old library. Emma's eyes were shining with the richness that she could find a new adventure in every corner. Every experience she had throughout the day expanded Emma's world further. However, at the end of the day, the little girl said that she wanted to go to a quiet park, away from the noise of the city. The family went there to rest and reminisce about the day. "I will never forget the adventure in this city," Emma said to her mother as they sat in the greenery of the park. Her family saw the sparkle in Emma's eyes and shared the same feelings. The city offered them not only entertainment but also precious memories spent together. The next day, Emma and her family decided to return home. They went to the train station with their luggage, but Emma did not want to leave the city. However, his father smiled at him and said, "We'll come back someday." As Emma watched the city from the train window one last time, her heart was overflowing with new friends, knowledge learned, and exciting memories. This short but special adventure in the city was a turning point in Emma's life. After a while, Emma's room was filled with pictures, gifts, and books that commemorated the adventure in the city. As he lay in bed every night, his memories of that magical city came to life and brought a smile to his face. And so, little Emma's adventure in the city would remain one of the best memories of her life. The city offered him not only entertainment but also opportunities to learn and grow. Overflowing with her desire to explore, Emma couldn't wait for future adventures.